Gagasi FM.
The sound of KZ.
Views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Hello, G-Fam. It's Valentine's month and we decided, kulenyanga, I guess khulume about different aspects of love because it's not only romantic love that we deal with, Angit. There's love that you share between family, there's love that you share with friends, and then there's love that you share or used to share with your romantic partner, which brings us to isession ya namhlanje with some of the Gagasi FM ladies. We want to unpack our journeys towards loving ourselves again after heartbreak. Now, anginendaba ukuthi izinto zakho zihamba kahle kangakanani emsebenzini, emndenini, uhappy nezingane zakho. Kodwa mangabe uphila la emhlabeni, iheartbreak izokubamba.
Ayizofika.
Ikuchoke kuhlo kwalesikhafu engisifakile. Washo no Whitney umbhali, Whitney Houston, wathi this is a heartbreak hotel.
Oh my goodness.
But I think it's more important how you recover from that heartbreak and learn to come back to self again. So for this conversation, I am joined by gorgeous Gagasi, DJ Happy Girl. I do also have Umaluya Luya.
Hallelujah.
Miss Letter to my ex.
This letter to me.
This conversation could not have happened. Ulwandle engekho, Lwandle Masoga is in the house.
Yeah.
And later on, we are also going to be joined by Usiso said decided ukuthi she's had enough of this heartbreak genie.
Let's lock it in.
Mini Ntuli from the Uprising is also going to be joining us.
Yay!
In absentia for now. All right, so ladies, angifuna ukuthi mangabe singena deep into this conversation, sigxile only on romantic heartbreaks, right?
Okay.
We know that exists,
Yeah.
but I also mangabe si unpack the subject of heartbreak and how we come back to self after it. Let's also consider friendship heartbreaks. So again, ngiqale kanje. Yiphi heartbreak enkulu kakhulu or that has been one that rocked you kakhulu between a romantic heartbreak and a friendship heartbreak?
For me, I'll say, coming down, I'm an ex.
Yini yona leyo?
Wow. Ex. I think it's the relationship heartbreak, of which it happens long time ago. La amanye ngiwabali ngokuthi mhlawumbe haba ama heartbreak empilweni yami eyangishawa kangempela nginoke. It was the relationship heartbreak.
Oh,
Yes, it was hard.
Baby girl. Maluya?
I think friendship heartbreaks are really painful, man. You know, you invest so much in friendship, and friends are the ones that pick up the pieces after a romantic heartbreak also ends. So it definitely leaves a void. There's things that you will encounter later on in life, and you're thinking, "Ish, if only this person was still there." You know, if only this person, and it hurts even more because they're still alive, but now you don't have access to them because you've decided to call it quits. So friendship breakups really are something else. Like men, you'll find another one, but hey, friends are scarce, man. Real friends. You'll find another one, but real friendships are very, very scarce.
Ngihlezi ngisho leyo nto ukuthi ayikho into ebuhlungu than having to grieve somebody who's still alive.
Yes.
Ukuthi nixabene anisazwani but uyambona ukuthi hawu usekhona usaphila niyambona ngisho kuma socials ukuthi
Exactly.
umngane omusha indeni. So yeah, Lwandle.
Yeah, I guess I'll also it's the same as Umaluya. Friendship breakup was the most hurtful one for me. I mean, men are very replaceable, yes. And of course we invest kakhulu on abangani. And mina, it was even worse because we worked together. So I am one of my corridors and it's like, and we're not even talking to each other. So it was really, really hard. It was so I think that's the worst thing ever.
Yeah.
That's how painful it is.
Is friendship because it feel to that level. Like maybe it's because I do have friends, but I have only one friend who's my friend, like family friend, my sister, everything. I have friends, but I have lomgane family. That's she's my friend.
Those are the ones that hurt the most.
Yep.
She's uyedwa. She's my
yazi ukuthi yini enza ukuthi khethe ngaleyo ndlela ngize ningaxabani ngingafisi ngisho ukubhekana is because there is a lot of trust that was invested
Yeah.
in a friendship, in any kind of relationship also we build. It's built on trust, angithi. Niyathembana, and then the longer that
Share a
trust
lot
is around, the more you feel like, oh, usiswami lo.
Yeah.
Also because you know ukuthi wena umuntu onjani, you know ukuthi there's certain things that you'd never do to somebody who trusts you ngaleyo ndlela. So when that person can't return the favor, then that's the beginning of heartbreak.
Yeah.
Then it hits you on some wow. Shuthi for the past 20 years,
It's been a lie.
Slim.
It's been a lie. What I
been a
thought we
lie.
shared has been a lie. And I think also with friendships, we give our friends so much grace. You know, when your friend doesn't answer the phone, you won't think they're cheating on you like you would with your man.
Absolutely.
You know, I'm sure Bambegile, and when they can, they'll get back to me ASAP. So it's the amount of grace that you give them. It's the amount of time that you've spent with them. It's how much about you they know.
A lot. that
And how
they
much you
know
go
about
through with them hand in hand. So, friendships, yo.
Which part of you experienced heartbreak kakhulu? Let me break it down. I think heartbreak is because it's called heartbreak.
Yeah.
Ukuthi kuba buhlungu inhliziyo kuphela. And I think nothing could be further from the truth.
Yeah.
When heartbreak is kubambe kahle.
Angeke.
Ngazi ngayifisa leyo eqeda i-appetite. Ngiyayifuna leyo
It hits you
eqeda
psychologically.
Yeah.
It hits you spiritually. Uze ucabanga ukuthi kufanele ngiyothwasa yini.
Jesus.
You know, it hits you on so many levels as a human being. So when you think back to any heartbreak, right? Which part of you gets rocked the most?
It's my appetite.
Yeah.
Saba well.
Yeah.
Mphathwe ikhanda.
Eish.
And
So your body takes
my body, my body will definitely reject me. It rejects everything, and I'll isolate. And when it's isolate, literally, I'll just be by myself. Angifune khuluma, and I'll just cry myself, and I'll bawl out. That's the most painful thing ever. Losing your appetite, lapho ufuna ukudla, to a point where you even go on ChatGPT and you're like, what can I do? Like, you know, and then like ngezovula inhliziyo uphatheke kabi uhlungu une heartbreak. I think that's to me. It's when my body rejected me and isolating myself from people and just wanting to be all by myself. Oh, and then
Yeah.
the algorithm.
Oh, but once you search those things.
And then you go on Instagram, you go on TikTok, and then you.
Oh my
I think that's when Nakwana, that's when I'll be like, oh, at least others are going through the same thing, you know. And I'll search Guonk and I'll read my comments and I'll console myself in that kind of way.
I think I can relate to Ulwale appetite. I even went to a doctor. I don't have an appetite. Have you tried acting? I'm like, I said appetite. But then it didn't work for me because so yeah, appetite, guys. Oh,
So your bodies take a toll.
I was about to say,
Now I have to ask.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm okay. Look at this. I'm okay. I'm okay.
No jabs, but also Minage. Let me just clear this one for you. It's not just because of heartbreak of. I've been like
Yes,
this
absolutely,
from buying from primary to high school. Even my pregnancy, I have never gained weight. Never, like I've always been. Now I'm 58 kg.
So then it gets worse, mangabe. Uthi go through
I can
something.
give under.
Some hate. Olelen.
Muhle njena u58 kilograms uyamfanela anyeke nulwa phansi. Luyanda.
For me, I wish I had this loss of appetite. I really do.
I'm sorry,
Not even. What do I do with heartbreak? I think probably, where does it hurt more? I feel my heart physically painful. I even wake up at night and I think I get so unsettled. It ruins everything else, but I'm still eating.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. I wish I had a lot of appetite.
We absorb things.
Yeah, we
differently.
really, really do. I'm trying to think. What physical,
Manifestations.
Yeah.
Let me tell you what happens, Gmin.
Yes.
I literally go crazy.
Yo.
Yeah.
I am an overthinker, right? So kusuke kudlala yonke inhlobo yefilimu ongahle uyicabange lapha phezulu ekhanda. You know, you think of previous conversations.
Yeah.
You think of izinto that happened ukuthi hawo lo muntu ogcine esenze nje kushuthi nangalesikhathi ngicabanga ukuthi it was real. So for me it manifests itself psychologically. I second guess myself so much. I go through a very long, I would say, period of ukungazithembi. Ngoba all along ubukade ucabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphile. Abantu uyakwazi ukubabona. Hawu le heartbreak esha uhappy girl mina ngeze ngishaye mina. Uhappy girl bengamboni kanjani lo thina simbona type thing, you know. And then when it happens to you, it's a like it hits so hard ukuthi oh yeah, no clever.
But also in that kind of situation, I think it helps kakhulu if your support system, you have like a great support system. I mean, for myself, I think I used to be like that as well until I share everything. So I'm an oversharer. A lot of people know me. I'm an overshare, but when it comes to my mother, I overshare a lot with my mom, and my mom knows me from inside and outside. I think nakona futhi because why am because Maya is always there. She knows. No, and my mom immediately but I feel like my mom grieves my heartbreaks more than I do.
Naturally, yeah, she can see you hurting.
But I think nakona she'll always come through and be like, lalela ke mntanami, this happened. Ungakuthatha ukuthi kukanje nanje, don't ever say umuhle, and she'll say all the nice things, and I'll be like, actually, you were a douchebag, you know. And then I think naloko, and then also just my family. I think also because I'm the only girl left at home, you know.
I think you're blessed to be surrounded by family. Yeah. For us who live alone, you will really be in your mind. You will be in your mind. You know, you're just sitting there. Even when you're watching something on TV, you're not even seeing Lente Dalayo because you're just too much in your head. So you're blessed to be surrounded by family because having to go through it alone is something else.
Imagine me with my kids, so that are more than.
And you have to carry on being a mother.
Being a mother, going through it so much, and you're gonna feel like it's expected to be happy. You try, but at the same time, you shout at the child, and then we're gonna, oh my goodness, and
we don't talk much about that.
You're bringing up an interesting point on a happy girl. I'm going to move more towards the side of being hurt by a romantic partner, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to assume. Angisho ukuthi ngikhuluma ngobani in particular. I am going to assume ukuthi some of your heartbreaks come from the people you share your children with.
Yeah.
Right? So we manage kanjani ke leyo nto as umzali. Ingane nazi ziphambi kwakho zikubhekile yet uhalf wazo ukhetha wayigreater inhliziyo, and you should not on paper react kabi enganeni because azinacala, but is practically kuba kanjalo yini? Is it that easy to separate?
Sometimes it's hard if it's in separation and you look at that kid and it has some resemblance of that person, like, hey, wena ufana no baba wakho kahle kahle.
Lento embi le.
Ekugcineni I'm a mom, like I have to be gentle when it comes to ingane zami. Zingaboni ukuthi uma usedene kakhulu mhlawumbe ucasulele simo esifana mhlawumbe sithinta ubaba. So I try to separate. And I mean, especially guys, I don't talk, like I'm an introvert. I don't like sharing like ulwa. I don't share much of relationship I'm with my family, my friends, my bani. I keep most of the things to myself. That's me no happy. And then is epoch lapha ngithi mase ngizikhipa sengiyakhoma like ibhomba. Abantu not knowing ukuthi uqhunyiswa yini lo kanti le nto sikhipha ngaphakathi. I don't share. I'm a relationship mostly, especially with my friends. Ngishare kancane ngoba I think previously akade ngithi abangani ngishilo ukuthi nginabo abangani, but nginomngani. Abangani mozoshare nabo izinto eziningi ezenzeka empilweni yakhe, especially go relationship. Izona izinto ezikulimaza basithatha basebenzisa okanye mhlambe some of them wants to live lempilo yakho le ubukanti usayiphila nangathi ukwathi ushare nabo lezi indaba leso. Yeah, friends. I have my friends, so ngiyashare naye but not that much, and ngiyazama ukuhlanisa inkinga zami zokuxakeka nengane zami ngifika endlini. It's not easy sometimes.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of emotional maturity to be able to do that.
I can only imagine. I am so grateful. Anginazo ingane namuntu. Because I don't know where I'd be. I don't know if I'd have the maturity that you are saying umuntu in a position of heartbreak with the child has to withstand.
Exactly.
Uhep is raising an important point here. Uguti, with heartbreak, a lot of it is centered around a break of trust.
Yeah.
Now, Leo trust, now we usuge ufagile ukuthi ibe khona ngithi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, when your heart breaks, when somebody breaks your heart and you're going through the motions of trying to find your way back to yourself and loving yourself again, how much or how do you navigate le part yokuthi I hate myself? I blame myself. This happened because I trusted this person too much.
Yeah.
I didn't trust my instincts. I didn't listen to that small voice that said, "Hayi bo, ungamthembi kakhulu." Ngakhohlwa imfundiso zama ezithi ungamthembi kakhulu umngani. Ugade ube wash.
Yeah.
So I think when heartbreak happens, all of those things come flooding back,
Yeah.
right? And how do you manage blaming yourself, ke, when that starts happening?
Look, it happens when that you definitely blame yourself. But we're human, and you just need to tell yourself, I trusted that person, but it's beyond your control.
Yeah.
There's nothing that can be done, but you moving forward and you navigating through it on your own and finding peace. And
Yeah.
It's all about forgiving yourself, because once you start forgiving yourself, trust you me, you're going to be able to forgive omunye umuntu and nakhona futhi rebuilding yourself through konke lokho and being confident with yourself. And confidence plays a huge role into impilo yomuntu. Mina ke, I always say to myself ukuthi yes, ngikuthembile nje and ungilimazile, but that's not going to define ukuthi that's the end of me. Nokuthi nakhona sekuphelile kwami, ngizoqhubeka nempilo yami, and then I'm going to work towards a way, like I'm going to be way better than what I was then. Ngikhombise now ukuthi you lost something good.
Yeah.
I trusted you, you trusted me,
Yeah.
but this is what's going to be happening, and I'll make you watch. I won't block you, I won't delete you.
So how you have been treated is not a reflection of you.
No.
It's a reflection on somebody else.
On somebody else.
Yena loyo muntu heartbreaker.
Yebo.
Kufanele ayithwale leyo nto. Luyanda, do you also go through a period of ukusola? Ukuzibeka icala?
Yeah, and also carrying that into the next space you get into is a thing, you know, because you're like, I trusted too much then, let me trust a little less here.
Yeah.
I gave too much then, let me give a little less here. And what happens is that you start to become detached as a human.
Yep.
You it's like you are there, but you're 1 foot in, 1 foot out, you're always ready to go, and it's never a nice place to be.
U-5
Like,
nje.
yes.
Umuntu akawakhona wrong.
You're just like, actually, uyangicika.
Kanje wena.
You know?
Usubuku exit lapho.
Exactly. And doing anything half-heartedly really breaks my heart, because it's not me. You're not experiencing me. You're experiencing a hurt version of me. So yes, I do sometimes blame myself. I do try to see the role that I played in that. Sometimes your role might have been small, but you are also present. There's something that you've also done. Not all the time, but yeah, a little bit of accountability here and there. But I think what I'd like to learn more of is just not being as detached, because I've completely detached.
Usis.
Yeah.
Mtakako. Ngiyakuhluthuka njengamanje. I'm placing my hand over you. Yes. You will be fine. You will heal.
I am numb. I feel nothing.
So how do you do it?
Why me, Nelson? How do I do it?
Yes, how do you navigate through it?
I do struggle with self-blame.
Yeah.
Right? Uguti. But for me, it's more like I put myself in this position of being too vulnerable.
Yeah.
Ngoba mina ngithanda unye. Am I allowed to say that? I just did. And with that comes letting all my defenses down.
Yes.
When I love, I do not have a single wall up. Khuluma ukuthanda umngani, khuluma ukuthanda umfana.
Yeah.
Right? So the blame comes with me saying I should have kept that wall up. I shouldn't have let all my defenses down.
Yeah, ne?
I should not have trusted this person ngayo yonke into yami ngisho nangobhozo, you know. So again, from what Uluyanda's saying, is it comes then, the healing part comes with you saying, I'm not going to allow this to harden me.
Yeah.
This is just how I love. And sure, ngizongqubuzeka every now and again, but I'm not going to stop loving like this because anything other than loku engiyikona would not be giving myself a fair chance in love again.
Yeah.
It takes a while. It takes a while. But healing and loving yourself again after a breakup is totally, totally possible. Thank you so much for being with us. Angithi thank you, ngithi hamba njalo. Ngisho ukuthi we're going to shift a little bit and create space for Umantuli Umpemba to come through and also give us her perspective and her journey into learning to love herself again. Ngisho engasekho ke kule journey heartbreak. Sifuna ubhifo. After siyawubona ubhifo. This is a special Valentine's Day edition of Gagasi FM. And just like that, we are back like umqolo in our conversation around heartbreak, but healing after heartbreak, loving yourself again as umuntu wesifazane after a heartbreak. And now we have Usisi that is no longer part of the heartbreak crew. Liphi Zaza?
See what you did there.
Minnie, thank you for being part of this conversation. So, angiqale with the question that I asked the ladies earlier. Ukuthi kwama heartbreak that you have experienced as umuntu wesifazane, iyiphi esikushaye kakhulu? Which one brought you to your knees?
It will always be the men. Nangchaza nina nabangani benu umngani is just a friend. And yes, they elevate to sisterhood. I take it as if when I fight with my sisters. When you become my friend, you become a sister. Yeah. Now, when my sister has broken my heart, it's not going to close my flipping anishon. Lenda tenitsi ngisakwazi ukudla bese kuba njani appetite ngenxa ukuthi uwaytu usicabanile no waytu hayi ma umuntu wesilisa, you know, there's something that condition jabs that really was like, oh my gosh, that is me, right? Ngathi uthe unjabs echaza story sakhe ngathi hawe makanti sonke sinje uthi when we love I bring my all. Yeah. So ngizoshayeka vele bese ngisethandweni ungibreakile inhliziyo. I bring my all. Wazonke imfihlo zami ngokutshenile ukuthi uhappy girl indaba zakhe yithini. You ungazi in and out. Yeah. So I am going to get hurt because it's just such a reminder that you were such an inconsistent factor clearly in my life. And it's scary. But yo guys, maybe I'm not loving my friends enough.
Yeah. Maybe.
I think kodwa lento ishoyo about being used to fighting and coming back together with your sisters from home. Mhlambe nalogo also plays a factor in how then you carry yourself in fights with abangani.
Oh, because it's the same Nami with my brothers. Because Nami, if I argue with my brothers, I can detach from them. Nami, I was detach from that relationship because cool with the guys.
I think, you know, it's not personal. Like, it's not that deep that I want to kill you.
Yeah. Hey, they haven't broken you, my friend.
For friendships.
Hey, kukhona umngani oyayakhethe ubone kahle ukuthi wena ubungizonda wena. Wena ubungizonda wena, and had I kept you in my life, ubuzongibulala.
Bro, how long ungizonda?
And how you see those So then, Minnie, if your biggest heartbreak came from umfana, how long did it take for you to say, okay, this needs to be a breakup? Because here's what I find sometimes we do as abantu besifazane. Umuntu uyamthanda, uyithanda ne relationship, right? We create a perfect world in your head and where you would like to end up with this person, because nobody is in a relationship with the hopes of breaking up, right? So sometimes we don't want to face the reality and we deliberately delay a breakup ngoba siyasaba ukuba lonely. We are scared of being alone ngoba asikwazi. It's just not how we imagined our lives. And then we end up delaying a breakup. Ube wazi kahle ukuthi into right ekufanele uyenze ayisekho lento le iyeke ipenguin ithumule awucishe umshini ayisekho. Have you ever delayed a heartbreak?
Okay. Mazwan. Where up? Everyone has a friend like Jabs who says you are delaying the breakup.
Yeah, bo.
Right? But sometimes you're not leaving because you know that you have not taken accountability for the mess you brought in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because at some point we need to understand it's not just the men, guys, who are messing up.
Hayi kumini bona.
Jabs akwazi njalo babesilisa.
No.
I know it wasn't you.
Hashtag nonke washo euphonic.
But sometimes it is you and you need to hold up and try to fix yourself.
Yeah.
I cannot count the amount of times I've broken up with my husband. And the last one was him choosing himself. That hurt. I was like, wait, he chose himself?
Okay.
What do you mean you're choosing yourself? Bengi wrong. I'm fine, bengi wrong. I bengi wrong. But do you think this Ngotov was going to say I was wrong?
This is not off.
No. Like, baby, this is me. Take me as I am. And he was like, no, I love myself too much to take this version of you.
Yeah.
I don't deserve this version of you.
And then you did introspection.
Oh, I had to. I loved him enough to check myself.
Wow.
You know?
Yeah.
But I'm so glad I delayed the breakup because I needed to work on myself. If after I work on myself, I've worked on myself. Got this part about you, I can't sacrifice myself for.
Yeah.
Then I'd rather let you go. And I think we need to be honest that even when you arrive to a point where the disappointment doesn't stop. You just need to know how much of it can you take.
Yeah. Boundaries.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, can I just say
Sure,
something?
sure.
Umini saying, okay, sometimes it comes with you having to take that accountability. Another reason why we might delay breakups is because when we date people, we create an idea of where we're supposed to go, how it's supposed to go, and what the finish line looks like. And that's why we struggle to let go of the person, because we don't want to let go of the idea.
Yeah.
You can see now he's not treating you the way he used to. He's not doing right by you. He's not the man that he was in the beginning.
You're still in love with the idea.
You're still in love with the idea. So we struggle. We sometimes struggle to let go of people because we're struggling to let go of the idea and facing the reality, the truth of it all. Loguti is not who I thought he was anymore.
Hey, Kosi yami.
So
Sasha, something
there's
speak.
in a heartbreak, in a breakup, ikhona leo part yakho enokusaba, right? Because you have grown used to having this person in your life, either as a partner or as a friend. Now, them not being there is taking out a link of you that's attached to you.
Yeah.
And kuzoba ne void, right? Uzomkhumbula leyo muntu. Mhlambe to a certain extent uzoba lonely. Uzosaba ukuba alone, because do you actually even know who you are without this person? How have you come back to self, to relearn yourself, Luyanda, after being left alone from being with somebody for so long?
But Jabs, sorry, I know you directed to Luyand. Okay, I love the fact that she's saying you don't like the idea of being at ufiyeno bare mhlabeni Jabs.
Phela angithi illogic le.
Yeah.
But mangabe uthi go through a heartbreak nasothandweni lomfana nolomngane, illogic it goes out the window. You don't always think rationally.
Yes.
You don't use all your devices when you are in a space of utopia.
I get it. I think that's when you need to pause. Like I get ukuthi you lose konke necruise zakho zonke ziyaqaqeka wonke amabhawodi, but that's when you really need to check yourself and say to yourself ukuthi okay lalelake girl, you came alone, you're gonna walk out. And uthando is not for everybody. Also, we need to also understand that love is not for everybody.
Hayi lo ngeke phoza yami.
Uthando is not for everybody. Akhona manansi.
It's for me.
When usa heartbroken.
I'm not even that heartbroken. I've healed. But I have 100%. I still do therapy. I still attend therapy. I still go to therapy. But there's one thing I always say: uthando is not for everybody. Khona abantu abangakwazi ukuthanda, sidalwa. Khona abantu abangadalelwanga uthando. Yes, we love the idea of uthando, and yes, we want to be loved, and also you want to love somebody as well. But if and you're always constantly getting heartbreaks, then what happens in that kind of sense?
I think uthando is for all of us,
for
but
everybody.
it will not look the same.
Yes.
I think into is shayise against amabonda sometimes unnecessarily is that we all want a certain version of love because that's how we have been socialized. Ukuthi mangabe umuntu wakhe engakuthandanga wazi wakulobola wazi wakushada kusho akuthandi. And akuthina sonke where I differ is ngizothandwa but ngizothandwa emshadweni not necessarily.
No.
Ngizothandwa ngipostwe ngokuthi anginike ingane yini not necessarily. But am I worthy of love? Absolutely.
Yes, sweetheart.
So aloneness being low versus being lonely. Luyanda, is there a part of you that's ever grappled with the two?
I think the one thing that helps me quickly move back to myself is understanding ukuthi, okay, people have their own standards. People have their own requirements in these romantic relationships, right? If mhlambe along the way while we're getting to know each other or we're in this relationship and you realize or decide ukuthi, okay, Luyanda doesn't possess certain qualities that I need, and you decide to move away, there's nothing I can do about that. Especially with how you described ukuthi, we love deeply, we give our all. There's nothing more I could have done differently, you know? If mhlambe it came to maybe you teaching me something different about your love language and I couldn't fully grasp it or whatever it is, but you have made that decision. And it's fine. Like that's for me. It's human beings will always change their minds, and there's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing you can do to, convince somebody to stay when they really want to go. If anything, yes,
absolutely.
And that's something I'm not willing to do. That quickly makes me snap out of it and be on some.
You're not willing to fight for someone you love because it's a value yako.
Not ngendlela yokuthi, like if they don't want to anymore, meaning I'm not going to do it.
So
but then what is
that's me.
A relationship is a two-way.
Would you still fight for that? I'm just asking. If a guy tells you 3 times consecutively
in one sitting,
not in one sitting.
We are
If you don't want it anymore, then it's fine.
In his term,
favor
ngoba wena
and babuye bayenzelana ama favor.
That's when that's when it goes wrong. That's when
and
it goes
won't
south.
leave if you keep putting yourself out there and uthola ukuthi akafuni ukunika 100%. Kodwa uyabona ukuthi uyanda uhlelele lo 40. They are not going to increase what they put into the relationship. They are not. They won't even adjust.
2025 men chose themselves. 2026 we need to choose ourselves as well.
So thank you. Okay, so happy girl uthe akubuyelwe move. Backwards never, forward. So how long, ladies, does it take you to say, okay, if phukile inhliziyo but isikhathi sokuthi isocial ithuntu utheke manje buyele empini?
For you.
Oh my gosh.
God, so remember, remember I told you he chose himself, right?
Yeah.
Then he said, you know what, I'm leaving. And I was like, well, bye. Right. Reality came. No. And I was like, Yazin, I'm going to stay. I'm going to wait. And let me just work on myself, you know? And I really did. And because I know my man, right? I also be a man. Lapo guys, breakfast by Amazon.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, kanje. But in funnel. Ngithi amfonela wena ifoni yami icimile. Bamfonela lezi ngqothove ngisebenza kusakhona umfundi.
Wow.
That time I can't say I'm going through a breakup. You know? I can't. And I when I won't. Bash. Then ngabona guys, now we're clocking 4 months.
Yeah.
It's
We have move on for sure.
Right, ngoba umuntu wesilisa, right? Yeah, and ngidabangana bafa njengonjebs abathi manje uzohlala umlinde. What do you think he's doing?
Buyele gemini ntombazana.
Doing the game.
Ngena ngesiphongo.
Guys, at this point I'm a prayerful woman. I'm going in hard on my faith.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, month 5.
Vele phela uqala ube motivational speaker.
Yes.
Mo pray ha.
Any verse, baby, I can tell you what the Bible says about love. Month 6 hits.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm done. I'm going in the game. I'm tired. Futhi ngiyabatshana laba ngisebenza nabo ngeke ngibuza ngalo mngani wenu. I'm done.
6
That day I decided I was going to go on a date.
He called.
Guy called. Ngazwa ngumuntu engqongqoza phela ngithi vele ubuso bami kuyasebenzela ama estates. Ngabona umuntu engqongqoza.
Wow.
What do we need to talk?
Timing.
I'm like, God, you disturbed me. Maybe it was going to be the day I get some. I did eventually.
So
him.
you waited 6 months.
6 months.
In those 6 months, what are you doing to fight for him?
I'm praying. I wasn't talking to him. I promise you, my heartbreak sent me to church.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I've been in the streets. I know what happens in the streets. Yeah. I was ready to fix myself. You get stuck there.
Yeah.
The streets are cold.
No, they're not cold. They're not cold. You get stuck there. It's a dark place. They're not coming out for the malab emgaqweni. Warm. No guys akubandi. Let's not lie to the kids and say it's cold. Akubandi emgaqweni. Nicinga endaweni wrong. Date to the level of your self-esteem and you will not get cold.
Wow.
Follow to my location.
No, mina
Cannot call.
ngoba ngithule nje ngiyajaja. Umini uthi walinda 6 months before alokho.
But
Mina ngiyajaja
she's not honest. I'm sure that I'm there.
My business.
Please tell me.
Mama mfundisi praying and motivational speaker whole 6 months.
Because I was in love. I had found the one.
Oh my gosh.
Wahlala ngentombi.
Ngahlala ntombi.
Wawumenza njani untombi zodwa mesethi
Ngasukuma ngesontweni.
Wawumenza almost yaba nje.
uyamazi untombi zodwa manje uthe go through a breakup uhleli wedwa uthi nje untombi zodwa
Meaning, be honest.
I promise you, I would rather stand up and go to church. No, I'm saying I've been in the streets. It was too dark for me to go back. Oh.
level.
Happiness.
Jabs kabantu emgaqweni.
Thank you.
I need to see the street that they talk about. They love that.
You must be here.
You see that street?
No, thank you.
How long does it take you to piece yourself together? To piece yourself together.
Like me, I think I went through Lenzama breakup long time ago. For now, no guys, like it's about ube.
Takes me a year, man.
Yeah, ngizwa kodwa uthi ngithini.
No, mina ngiyakuzwa.
It's balance. But ube you won't go through a heartbreak. It's ubu.
But doesn't that mean ke ukuthi lapho but doesn't it mean ukuthi lapho okhona kusho ukuthi awuhleli? You are not all in.
You are mina I'm a lover like Nkosi yami njengawe nje.
Yeah.
I bring my all in your relationship
with another person.
But then ingozwe popola mangabe sisondele bonds. Oh, okay. So kushintshile 1 2 3 for you to not to go through a heartbreak. It's ube.
Can I be honest?
Yeah.
Like no guys, like I'm being honest. Like guys, this is better for to go through in there was a heartbreak. Like Joba manje ngina 27 shooting out in
Can I be honest, Jabs?
Sure.
Ladies.
Yeah.
How long does it take you to put the pieces together?
Mm-hmm.
Forever.
Yeah.
forever. There are some pieces of you that can't be mended back together again. So you need to reprogram. I'm constantly learning. Yazi ungayithola uthi fethu my brother uhlelo usefonini ukhuluma nabangani bakhe. It's a genuinely funny conversation. And I get triggered.
Yeah.
So I need to now sit and regulate myself and go, how do I want to react here? Do I want to react? Should I react? Is it worth changing the atmosphere in the relationship? So I am constantly putting myself together. It's a journey. What's unfair is for me to do it alone. Especially that I'm broken and where I am because of you. And yes, I decided, yes, let's do this again. But come on. If I'm going to ask you, don't get mad and stand up and go. Give me reassurance. Like, oh, no. Unjabul, he's just saying whatever. And then I get healed. But nam ngingajwayeli ukumbuza njalo.
Ungabsuba iphoyisa.
Yes. So I think for me it's a journey that I'll forever be on.
Yeah.
And not just because of him, but of other things that are happening. My dad, because of my dad, because of the men I work with, because of the men I've met randomly emgaqweni. Because remember, and so now I'm not realizing it's affecting me.
Yeah.
You understand? So I'm constantly understand.
You want to tell him your business?
Hey, wendlovu kamini waziwayenza indaba.
And he's calling guys like
Hayi katsheni.
Fiance yami.
not lying.
So tell me then. There's a train of thought ethi ukuze uzokwazi ukuheala kahle ukwazi ukuqhubeka nje happy girl no longer being wounded by what you come from kufanele uthi forgive. Forgive so that you can be able to carry on and move kahle into your next. Is that a prerequisite? Forgiving. Forgiving. Uyakudinga yini ukuforgive umuntu okuhlephule inhliziyo, friends and romantic partners for you to be able to move on kahle.
I believe so.
Yes.
I stand firm on that one.
Ngisho nginenhliziyo embi mina.
Jabs, what do you do? Tell me.
Jabs, are you okay?
No, mina nginenhliziyo embi mina.
For me, forgiveness. I can't come to you in Jabs and say, Jabs, I forgive you for doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just pray and say, I forgive Unjebs for hurting me for doing 1, 2, 3 into my life.
Yeah.
Goba, I want to move on mina. Koda, ngixolele sangaxolele. That's how I operate as happy girl. I'm a Capricorn guys, I'm a Capricorn Sanjan. So ngeke ngikuchallenge ukuthi ngiyaxolela. But mina ngizozitshela ukuthi yazini for me in order to move on ngiphume kule nto angimxolele Unjebs.
Yeah.
Kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi Jabs ngixolele. Isengixolele kodwa indirect angazi ngizoyibeka kanjani.
So
Uyaqoli guys.
Mina for one la angixoli angisheshe ukudlulisa that's me happy girl. Netlize enhle kakhulu but angixoli angisheshe ukudlulisa that's me.
I'm glad you mentioned your start time.
Yeah.
Because I think it's a Taurus thing. I'm very resentful.
Capricorn.
Yeah, mina no Luyanda. Chomi, batshele Chomi.
You should tell.
Yeah.
Hey them.
I am very resentful. I'll move past the situation because one thing about getting disappointed is you've got no choice but to move on from it, right? I'll accept it for what it is as well. I will look at it holistically and see, it's okay, and I'm not friends with any of my exes and I don't have exes. You're not friends. Why am I gonna... Sis.
What?
Is that a sis or
bitches
Jabs, so you're not friends with any of your exes?
Me?
Yes.
Friends with who?
Any of your exes?
So you know what I think I have done? You know what I think I've done wrong in my heartbreaks, romantic heartbreaks that make me stand firm in saying I don't need to forgive you and I also don't need to be friends with you.
Yeah.
Is in retrospect I realize these are people that I actually have never liked. I've never liked you enough to be my friend to begin with.
Stop it.
Washela ngaqoma ngangena into ubudlelwano oburomantic nawe ngingapopolanga ukuthi ezumngani unjani ezumuntu unjani ngaqhambukela mina ngangena ngenhliziyo
Sure.
and didn't properly look at the person holistically. So if I were to do that, I would tell you for free, I would have never been friends with any of my exes.
Yeah.
Right? So that's why noguti, I just be civil with your ex. No, because that's not the kind of person that I want to be civil
In
with.
my life,
That's not the kind of person that I want
so
in
good.
my space. So naleyo kuforgive futhi nayo angikho kuyona.
When Jebs, let's
Ngiright
say-
mina ngiqhubekile nothing is untoward empilweni yami, but I don't need to forgive you.
Let's say
Angicabanga wukho.
Yeah, let's say lo my exes lapha nobaba ingane.
Thank goodness she doesn't have.
That's why iqale ngithe thank goodness anginayo mina
Yeah.
ngani.
Yeah.
Because ngabe mhlambe ngidila nomndeni wakhe kuphela and not here.
And how do you treat the memories? Because remember when you date, you end up meeting the families,
Yeah.
the friends, you share friends, you share, his sister becomes your sister. Manje umxolelile, but kusakhona la muntu uthi mina ngimi nawe Jebs ngiyakuthanda.
Cut everything
Yebo.
off. I cut them
Yeah,
all.
yabo mina ngibhoza ke fana ukuthi cut everything
I
off.
mean, I
Guys, no.
Cut
Yeah.
the cord.
Yeah.
What did they do?
The cord. They stood next.
Stood with it.
Okay. Wait, let's be fair.
Also, it's family. Uyasho umndeni wabo.
Yes.
Awukho umndeni ozolahla. Mina, I
Igazi
would
labo.
never kill my brother. I would stand with my brother and I'll never. I mean, I'm not friends with my baby mamas. No, I respect them because they have kids with my brother, and I will when ngiyazi vele ukuthi ubhuti wami ushadile and yonke into goes via the wife. So akakhulumi lutho noma wengane yakhe. But nakhona obviously ngu aunt. But uzosho ukuthi hey lwa unjani ngikanje nanje ngizame ukucontacta unkosikazi but angimtholi ngidinga into kanje. We have boundaries because I tell you ukuthi hayi ukuthi ngiyakuzonda but this is where it ends. When my brother chose, when you both chose ukuthi ngiyaenda lento nathi sesiyayivala ke awungasangifonela ungitshela ukuthi wenzeni angisiyena umngane wakho. But I will never speak ill of my brother. I will never say anything about my brother, and I'm not going to stand and advocate and say, oh yeah, hey, very bad.
Okay, ladies, can I ask? Remember, these are people that you've built genuine connections
That
with.
was brought by your brother.
Okay, cool, sharp. And you guys have a connection as well. Can you not continue the friendship with Labo Bantu without the mention of the ex? And
I don't want to risk it. I don't even
No,
want to try it.
the only friendship I have is with my nephew.
No.
There are couples that I've gone on vacations with, couples vacations. I've been at their baby showers, at their weddings. But when I broke up with their friend, I cut them off.
Yeah.
I cut them off. Yes, I was there for some part of you.
communication,
No,
nothing.
why?
Shut them off.
Ngisho go Facebook. You are
Sure.
off.
Really?
Yes.
And look, by the way, we are not prescribing ukuthi mangabe wena uthi go through a heartbreak kufanele udile ngayo ngendlela esithi thina sidile ngakho.
just sweeping right now.
Asifani. Inhliziyo zethu zimbi ngokushiyana. So nawe enza okukuphilisayo. But I am of the firm belief ukuthi mangabe nisathi niyathandana nisajola akakabi official in any way whatsoever. Khumbula ukuthi abangani bakhe
Yeah.
abangani bakho kubo yikubo kini ikini yiko kuthiwa next of kin ukin is short for kini.
Love it.
All right. So ladies, in conclusion,
Yeah.
when you are going through a heartbreak, what does closure look like for you? Landla, ngizoqala ngawe quickly.
I'll say cousin.
Closure, a conversation. Does it have to be a conversation? Is it that last text? Is it that last
even. Oh no.
ziggy, hi?
Hayi uma uyokufanelisa.
What does closure look like?
Detachment, just detaching kakhulu and just closing it, cutting the umbilical cord, it's over.
Yeah.
That's my closure for me. I don't need you to come and uzo usho okwakho or try to explain. I just cut it off.
Got you. You, Minnie, what does closure look like to you?
Sean Jebs, I think it's ngokuthi what type of lover you are. So I once saw a TikTok usiswa sichaza yes and sengibonile ukuthi nonke niyephi. Usiswa sichaza wathi kama relationship there's a secure lover, an anxious lover and a an anxiety lover.
Ama types of attachment lawo.
Types of attachments, thanks. Hey, I'm depending on the type of attachment style you have, depend ukuthi wena closure uyifuna kanjani. So ngayibuka lento ngathi mina, okay, there's many other ways to get some closure. Ngoba lonke ngeke ayidlulisa indaba zakho. Uhlala endlini uyikhiyela ngeke azayidlula futhi chances are very low hamba contract ama diseases.
Exactly.
Yeah, do you understand?
Safest closure.
But also I think the best way that I do it, being honest with you, I lock myself and then I will try the Bible first, guys. I'm not going to pretend as if I'm holy. I will try the Bible. It will last me about 2 hours. Then I'll go into what Jabs goes through. Overthink, right? And then I have to sleep. I will sleep. I'll sleep it through. I wake up, sing it out, and I'm ready to attack the world, and be my best person. Sleep.
Kindness to self and lots of sleep. Got it.
Lubricate your throat.
She'll sleep after. Yeah. Guys,
Shopping. Also, I have to say shopping. Overspending. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I tend to focus on myself, kakhulu, especially I work out a lot.
I do gym last day.
So yeah, for me it's working out and try and get something ezongenza nje ngibe positive about impilo. Angikuthanda ukustresseka because earlier on we spoke about lento ye appetite nolwangaze ngibe mngaka ngivele kosama ngikhosela ukungazalwa nginje. So yeah, I try to do into as positive impilweni ngikhohlwe nje into as negative. Angithandi nje stressa nayo mina kahle kahle. I break up nje angifuni nokwazi ukuthi konke enjalo. Yeah.
Got you.
I romanticize the heck out of my life.
Come on now. Come on.
My life, I will go to the places I want to go, whether it's a mini holiday or yini. I will buy myself jewelry. I will spoil myself. That's what I do. That's and a whole lot of prayer. But I romanticize my life because I think also we rely on other people too much for our own happiness, and we already have an idea of what that looks like to us. So why not give that to yourself?
That's so good.
So that's what I do for myself.
Why do you have a feeling Jabs does the same thing?
Retail therapy.
Look, I think healing for me doesn't look like motivation and romanticizing my life as quickly as seslugene, and this is what I then. It's a long process.
Yes.
Right. Mina ngiyasidinga isikhathi sokuthi ngibihlike.
Yes.
I need to completely come undone so that I can bury that part of me that's heavy with disappointment ukuthi lento bengithi ngiyayakha nalomnganami lento bengithi ngiyayakha nalomlisa ayisekho. So I come undone, I grieve. Ngiyakhala ke mina ngigodi ke le ngiyakekiza ngiyakhala. Oh no, I cry. Look, I'm tender-hearted. That's why it takes a while for abantu ukuthi bangijwayele, because ngiyazi ukuthi mangabe usungijwayele, I let my guard down, and that's when it's easy for you to completely ruin me. So there is that wall mangabe singakajwayelani, but once the breakup has happened, ngiyadinga isikhathi, ngiyadinga netherapy.
So you spend money on therapy.
So I spend money on healing that. So that I'm sure ukuthi mangabe sengithi sengiright. Ngiright. Yeah. Mina ngadla amaphilisi psychiatry. Kodwa ke asikho lapho. GFam, thank you so much for hanging out with us and walking this journey of the Gagasi FM ladies sharing what heartbreak looks like to them, but most importantly, what healing and coming back to self and practicing self-love and honoring yourself looks like after a heartbreak. If you're also spending Valentine's Day a little bit heartbroken kulo nyaka, don't take heart. Uyabo. Be kind to yourself. Allow yourself to go through the motions so that you don't hurt other people by something and someone that has hurt you. Don't bleed on people that did not cut you. Heartbreak and healing is messy. It's ugly. It's not always motivational posts. It's not always meditating on a beach. It's ugly. So zivumele ispace sokuthi uthi go through that and come back on the other side fitter and stronger. Ngoba sama social film thina. I guess give up othandweni thina. Happy Valentine's Day, ladies. Thank you so much.
Happy Valentine's
Valentine is coming. Where's your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lonely.
Gagasi FM.